All right, so here I am with my Crosstrek and just got in the new Vivid Racing D14s. 16x7s, 30mm offset, hub 56.1, perfect for the Crosstrek. So let's open this bad boy up, see what we have. So, get in there. Sorry, one-handed. All right, got ourselves a second box. Get into here a little bit. All right, there we are. And give me just a second to get these out of here real quick. All right, go ahead and get this plastic off of here. Take off. Protective foam, packed up pretty nice. And there we are. Nice brand new rims. I like them. All right, machining looks really good. Really like that. Nice, even. Excellent. These are definitely look really good on replacing those rims. Let's take a quick look here. So yeah, new versus the old. That'll look really good on there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right. Okay, let's move on. One of my requirements was the weight. Definitely want to keep it as low as possible, so just doing a quick little weight check. And there we go, 18.3 pounds, which is a nice and light weight for a 16-inch rim. That's what I was looking for, was something really light, so I can cut down on the 51 pounds that the stock ones are at. You know, a little lighter on the suspension. But there it is. These look real good. Next stop's take these to the shop and get new tires on them. I'm planning on putting Falcons on them. I think those will look real good once they're on.